Ever wonder how your body fixes its own mistakes? Picture this. Your DNA, the blueprint of life, is constantly under attack, but it's not defenseless. Enter DNA repair mechanisms, the unsung heroes of cellular integrity. When DNA is damaged, it's like a typographical error in the instruction manual. It could lead to faulty products or no product at all. But don't fret, our cells have a clever way of proofreading and correcting these errors. Imagine an editor meticulously scanning each line of text. That's what the DNA repair enzymes do, scanning for mistakes, cutting out the damaged parts, and filling in the correct sequence. This process isn't perfect, but it's vital. Without DNA repair, cells can malfunction, age prematurely, or become cancerous. A testament to the intricate design of life, don't you think? Remember, even at a microscopic level, there's a system working tirelessly to keep you, well, you. Until next time, stay curious.